All right, we're living good. We're feeling good this fine Friday morning. Depending on where you're at, I know in some countries like Japan, you're almost done with Friday and you're already on Saturday. So I'm in Salt Lake, right below Mount Olympus. All right, I'm rocking and rolling in my yellow. I think I've got enough on. If I pee my pants, boy, I'll really match my outfit today. All right, Friday's fun. We have a live meeting coming up at noon Eastern. I'll provide a link to both YouTube or you can watch it on Zoom. Okay, we do it every Friday. And that's where the Fab Four, that's what I like to call Ryan and Lisa, they're in charge of our products. And we got Nodder, he is our marketing director, and of course, our founder, CEO Ben. Every Friday, it's about 45 minutes to 1 hour, and we talk about figures, how much money we're doing, what products are debuting, how products are selling, and then we have some of the leaders in our company. They about 5 minutes each. They give advice or some tricks or tips on how they recruit and how they're doing. And I hope you guys watch these. And you don't have to watch live; they are recorded. I just like to talk about them. If you do have time, it's kind of fun to just watch them live and kind of get you excited about the weekend. So anyway, I want to tell you about man, I've got an insane amount of videos. Just about every day, I have somebody asking me about something, and I usually have a video or 30 videos already made about that subject because there's only so many topics you can really come up with when it comes to live good. Okay? How to do this usually, how to do that. 80% of your questions are going to be on the Live Good page. Okay, so if you go to Live Good, let me see if I got it here. I got it. Whoop, let me shrink my face here. Okay, if you go down to Live Good, right on the left there, do you see the FAQ? I mean, check this out. They have so many things that you can just read about. And like I said, about 80% of all your questions will be either probably on YouTube. You could kind of Google probably Live Good and ask a question. You can always get a hold of me here, Cory at CoryDraper.com. And of course, you can watch the 6-minute video if you go to joincory.com. Just put your name and email address in, and you're going to get a nice 6-minute video. The FAQ is super important because all these questions about pay plan, compensation, membership, orders, just anything about your account. And then also, you scroll all the way right here. See where it says pay plan? Okay, click, it's hard to say. Click pay plan. That's a tongue twister. And you got all 6 bonuses here. And then a really well-produced video just come out. And it's at the very bottom. Okay, there it is. I just wanted to get it right in the middle of my screen. All right. Go ahead and watch this video. It's very well done. And the pay plan, it is complex. You can spend all day trying to memorize it, but it just comes down, just focus on just recruiting one person at a time, okay? And it's so simple. The company, it calculates all of your pay. So you get paid every Thursday. Right around about 2 in the afternoon, I can go into my earnings on my website, and it'll say how much I've earned. And then it seems like by that night, my bank will have that money. And it's nice every week to get some money. That's so cool. Most people, they have to wait every 2 weeks to get paid. In this case, it's every Thursday. Now, if you join, okay, I will make $25. And how I get that $25 is you sign up for $49.95. $40 is the affiliate. Okay, 20 goes to me, 20 goes to the company. The $9.95, $5 goes to me, and $4.95 goes to the company. So $20 plus 5 is $25. I get paid that next Thursday. Okay, it's the fast track bonus. It's nice because if you sign up for $49.95, usually you get 2 people quite easily. It's always a friend or a family member. There's no secret there. And if 2 people sign up, that's $50. You've got $49.95 into the company. You just made 5 cents. Yay! And the nice thing is you're flush. Okay, you broke even already. Most companies like this, it's a high ticket item. You've got to, spend like $500 to $1,000 to get going so you can qualify to make a $1,000 bonus, and you got to maintain product purchase every month. You don't have to do this with this company. You just don't. Okay, isn't that kind of cool? So anyway, please go through the whole pay plan, which is nice. And if you don't understand most of it, don't even worry about it. It's automatically figured out anyway. And then in a week or two, you'll know the pay plan like you invented it. But it's very awesome. It's so cool. Just remember the FAQ section, okay? And then when you go to my YouTube channel and you're on it right now, just bookmark it. And I've got about, let's see, if I go to playlist, you can see how many, this is just regarding, where is it? I can't even see it. Okay. God, where the hell is my channel? Oh, there it is. Duh. Okay. It looks like I got 1,197 videos. So I'm going to make about 10 videos about LiveGood today. So I have about 1,200 videos just regarding LiveGood. And you can just click this playlist. Or Nowsite is my artificial intelligence. I'm putting all my videos separately in here. I'm going to move over because I have about 100 of them mixed in here, into my LiveGood playlist. But you know what? If you want to simplify it, do you see the little magnifying glass right below my face here? That's the search. Okay. So let's say you just want to know about how to get a domain name with GoDaddy. Okay. So if you just type in GoDaddy and hit search, and it's got to be down here, not the search way up high. Okay. You want to come down here because you're in my channel. All right. And look at this. I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4. I got like 4 or 5 videos that just show you how to get a domain name. For example, joincory.com. All right. It costs $11.50 if it's open. And then all I do is I just simply forward it to my LiveGood capture page. All right. And that's just a little tip that I recommend. So see when you go into joincory.com, now watch where it pops into. All right. This is the well produced and I love it. This is the capture page to LiveGood. Here's the 6-minute video talking about the opportunity. You just put in your name, email address, reserve my position, and that's it. That's how I recruit. I let LiveGood do everything. I don't know if it's considered lazy or smart, but it's probably a little bit of both. All I do is just invite people to a link, folks, and that's it. And that's all you got to do. Don't over analyze and buy software systems and buy all this. Go spend $500 on all these motions, potions, and lotions and everything else. Just get really good at either TikTok or Instagram, maybe on Facebook. Just be interesting, funny, compelling, sexy. You know it gets attention. I mean, look at this. Look at the LiveGood capture page. Obviously, the guy's handsome. And look, they got like half-naked people running on the beach. And then they have some products. And I use all these products, coincidentally. And that's it. Even LiveGood. And look at how simple it is. The website's not overdone. It's very simple. All right. You can tell it's my website. See in the middle, it says Cory Draper's website. And if you're from a different country, look at all the languages it converts into. Isn't that insane? Like, let's say you're from France. Just hit French. Okay. Boom. Let's say you're from, let's see. I'm trying to squint over here. Let's say you're Yiddish. I don't even know anybody Yiddish, but look at that. Isn't that crazy? That is so cool how fast it goes. And Hawaiian. All right, there. Look at Hawaiian. That always looks cool, huh? And then, Japanese is my favorite. I wish I could read anything. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, whoops. I picked the wrong one. There it is. Check that out. Can you imagine how cool that would be understanding Japanese? I don't even know Spanish. I don't know anything. So, all right, you guys, have fun with the website. Check it out. When you go to my YouTube channel, just remember to search for certain topics because whenever I make a video, I always put whatever it's about in my title. So if you just put in GoDaddy, capture page, how to get a domain name, how to get leads, how to get Nowsite artificial intelligence, just go ahead and search my YouTube. 1,200 videos. I'm sure I've probably done that on just about every topic. Okay. All right. Well, that'll do it. Subscribe to my channel, guys. And I appreciate you taking some time and watching this video. And if you want to join LiveGood, just go to joincory.com. Very simple process. And just watch that 6-minute video. Put your name and email address in. And let's get you locked in. It's only $49.95. Very affordable deal. All right. And we'll get you 2 people right away as fast as possible so you can get your money back. And it's usually friends and family. You're like your dog and your grandma. Okay. We'll talk to you later, guys. Have fun. See ya.